Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the carrot like this and cut it carefully as shown in the video. Make the lines to make the middle part of the flowers like this. So decorate it on the plate and then put the corns on the sides. Now using the slices of the cucumber, we will make its stems and leaves. Cut it like this properly in the thin manner. Now again cut some piece of cucumber and give it a shape of a grass and put it on the bottom side of the flowers like this. Now design it further with the cucumber slices. Now it's ready. Next, take the beetroot and cut it into thin slices like this. Now decorate it one by one to make the lotus flower. Make few more as such on the sides of it. You can also use the dragon fruit instead of beetroots here. Now using the sticks like this, we will make the stems and leaves of the lotus. Now using the cucumber, we will put the slice on the bottom section by cutting it like this. After putting it, make its leaves and decorate it like this. Decorate it one by one and your beautiful lotus flower will be ready. You can decorate it further by putting some butterflies using the carrots. Now make the grasses and the sand using the cucumber slices like this and it's ready. Next, we will take a plate and then decorate it like this. So for that, we will take the orange and put it one by one as shown in the video. Make the flower using it. Now cut them from the between for this. Now put them again. Now take a tomato or a strawberry and cut it like this and put it in the between. Now take the cucumber slices and make it stems and leaves. Cut it carefully and make the leaves like this and place it. Now make the sand by putting the cucumber slices like this and it's ready. Next, we will take the fruit like this and then cut it as shown in the video. Take the dragon fruit and cut it carefully from the sides. Now from the between, remove thin slices like this and make the shape as shown in the video. Make few more as such and decorate them as we are putting it on the plate one by one. Fix it properly. Now we will make its stems and leaves using the cucumber slices. Put it like this. Now make the leaves. You can decorate it further by putting the cucumber slices like this. Here we will make beautiful salad using the tomato. Cut it into thin slices like this from the sides and spread it in the upward motion. Remove the peel like this from the sides and keep it like this over the plate. Now take the stem like this and cut it and then fix it under the tomatoes to make it stems and leaves and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.